coconut. D is for donut. The donut. E is for elephant. Elephant. F is for fairy. For fairy. G is for gorilla. Gorilla. H is for head. Head. I is for ice cream. Ice cream. J is for joker. Joker. K is for keyboard. Keyboard. L is for ladybug. Ladybug. M is for monkey. Monkey. N is for needle. Needle. O is for octopus. Octopus. P is for parrot. Parrot. Q is for queen. Queen. R is for rainbow. Rainbow. S for spider. Spider. T is for tiger. The tiger. U is for umbrella. Umbrella. V is for violin. Violin. W is for watch. Watch. X is for xylophone. Xylophone. Y is for yak. Yak.